What is up, guys? Jeremy here and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get CYDIA on iOS 12. This is with a SIRI shortcut and it's pretty cool. Now, just a bit of a disclaimer, this is not the real CYDIA because there is no current jailbreak for iOS 12, at least as of the making of this video. So do keep in mind this is not the real CYDIA. There is rumors of possible jailbreaks coming for iOS 12. Just make sure you're subscribed. I'll keep you guys posted when those jailbreaks come out if they do. But I'm sure that this is going to trigger a million fake jailbreak videos on YouTube. But like I said, just keep in mind there's no actual jailbreak right now. This is just kind of a little fun application you can install on iOS 12 if you guys want to toy around with CYDIA, have the icon on your device. It's just pretty neat. So let's go ahead and launch it. As you can see, it is in my dock there. This is the iPhone XS Max running iOS 12.0, and like I said, there's no current iOS 12 jailbreak that's available as of the making of this video, but as you can see, it does look very realistic. At least the main page here looks just the way CYDIA does. I do have my actual jailbroken iPhone 7 Plus that's running 11.3.1 right here, so we can do a comparison for those of you that might be new to jailbreaking and don't really know exactly what CYDIA looks like. I'll show you guys what the real CYDIA looks like, but this is still pretty cool, like I said, to have on iOS 12. So we can go to the normal sources section there, and as you can see, it's called Manage, and these are kind of alternate CYDIA applications where you can download tweaked apps, plus apps, stuff like that. I've covered a lot of that here on the channel. The next tab here is the Changes tab with a bunch of crazy stuff. I'm not even really sure. I haven't tried out any of this, but you have an iOS 11 demo, Windows Mobile, Dark Mode concept, FaceTime concept. Like I said, I don't even really know what any of this is. I haven't tried much of it out. Windows 2000. It seems pretty crazy to me. The next section here is the installed section, and you have your normal user, expert, and recent tabs like in the real CYDIA, and these are plus apps on the user tab. If you go into the expert tab, as you can see, it's like movie box and a bunch of other stuff you can get here, and then the recent tab there is looks like hacked games to me, and then the search tab here allows you to search. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, we're just going to go into the real CYDIA here really quickly, just so you guys know the difference. But the sources tab is literally sources for CYDIA. As you can see what that looks like, it just allows you to add sources. The changes section here are new packages that have been added to CYDIA. You got your installed section. These are all the tweaks that you have installed on your device, or all the packages from CYDIA. So this is what the legit version of CYDIA looks like, just so you guys know the difference between the two. Like I said, this isn't an actual, real CYDIA on a jailbreak. I just want to emphasize this in that, emphasize that in this video, just so you guys are well aware. But like I said, that is a SIRI shortcut. I will leave the SIRI shortcut download link down in the description for those of you that do want to download it, install it, and have it on your iOS 12 device. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.